Okay, hi, I'm Angel. I'm gonna do my planking part of the day. I'm on day 34 or 35, I need to check, of my 100-day challenge to myself, with myself. And part of that challenge is doing a plank pose as long as I can. I actually recently reviewed some plank pose pointers that I'll do in another video, and I'm not going to worry about right now. Just going to try to get through it. And on the 1 minute mark, I challenge you to see if you can beat me. I've been doing, I did 2.5 minutes the other day, but that's the longest. And mostly I've been doing 2 minutes if I'm lucky. So you ready? We're going to count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. See if you can beat me. I'm going to try to pull up in the abdomen and the pelvis and breathe deeply. I'm going to just focus on breathing, filling my lungs, and then exhaling all the way. Trying not to cheat like that. You see that? All right, 2:15, I believe that was for me. Keep going if you're going. Let's see how good you do. Oh, I had to work my way up to that from 1 minute after losing all my arm strength. Ruptured a bursa sac. Keep going, keep going. If you're stronger than me, which isn't unlikely, then you should be able to do, I don't know, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. How long can you go? Let me know. Keep going and put that in the comments. I would love to know. You can tell me your age and if you want to mention your gender. Not that it necessarily matters, but I will say my upper body strength has always been weak, typical for a female, and because that's what I am, in case you're wondering. And I used to be able to do about 25 push-ups though, and then after my elbow ruptured and had a series of unfortunate events led to me losing a lot of my strength. So I've been working hard to get some of it back. And in this 35-day challenge, I've worked my way from 1 minute to 2 minutes. As you probably could hear from my breathing, 2 minutes starts to get difficult for me. I did 2.5 minutes the other day while I was listening to David Goggins talk. I don't know if that was probably a big part of it. Anyway, I encourage you to post your time. I encourage you to do the best that you can do and to keep trying to do a little bit better every day. And remember that there's not one way. And Your body is the one thing that's going to be with you your whole life, so it's worth getting to know yourself and give yourself a little loving attention, a little more strengthening, a little more stretching. Thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. Check out the description if you want to see my book on Amazon about this head hut that I built with these hands. And yeah, till next time, stay free. Oh yeah, subscribe.